पिछले एपिसोड में हमने शॉन को बाउंटी हंटर से बचाया था और फाइनली उसे सेफ कैंप तक ले आए थे। लेकिन दोस्तों, शॉन का बचना सिर्फ शुरुआत थी, क्योंकि आज डच एक ऐसे आदमी के पीछे जाने वाला है जिसका नाम सुनते ही उसका खून खौल उठता है। कैंप में लौटने के बाद डच का सिर्फ एक ही टारगेट है, कोम और ड्रिस्कल। और अगर आप RDR2 की स्टोरी पहली बार देख रहे हो तो एक बात तो जान लो, डच और कोम की दुश्मनी पैसों या टेरिटरी की नहीं है, ये पर्सनल है। इतनी पर्सनल कि दोनों एक दूसरे का नाम सुनना भी पसंद नहीं करते। एक वक्त था जब डच और कोम एक दूसरे को जानते थे, लेकिन फिर डच ने कोम के भाई को मार दिया और बदले में कोम ने डच की गर्लफ्रेंड, जिसका नाम एनाबेल था, उसकी जान ले ली। बस उस दिन से ही दोनों गैंग के बीच में जो खूनी जंग शुरू है वो सालों तक ख़त्म नहीं हुई, और आज लगता है कि डच उसके पुराने हिसाब को चुकता करने वाला है। अब डच ने कोम की गैंग से एक आदमी पकड़ लिया है, नाम है उसका कैरन। और इस बंदे को अपेरेंटली कोम के हाइडआउट के बारे में पता है, लेकिन दिक्कत एक है, ये बंदा मुंह ही नहीं खोल रहा। मैं तुम लोगों को बताऊं, ये स्टोरी कोई बॉलीवुड मूवी से कम नहीं है।
Whoa, hold your horses there. It seems the cat has got our friend here's tongue. I was thinking Mr. Williamson could have a word.
You ready to talk, boy?
I told you, mister. I told all of you. I don't know nothing, okay? They ain't no friends of mine. I just been ridden with them for a while.
Horse shit. You see, we heard that part, so how about you tell the truth? Dutch, what do you want me to do?
Hurt him, so the next time he opens his mouth, it is to tell us what is going on. Who am I kidding? One of O'Driscoll's boys couldn't open his mouth, but he'd tell a lie. Screw it. Let's just have some fun. Geld him.
Yeah!
What's he doing? Where's he going?
Oh, don't worry. You're only balls, boy. Just gonna cause you trouble. You know, in Imperial Rome, eunuchs was among the happiest and most loyal of courtiers.
No, you kidding me, right?
Of course.
You sick bastards! Oh, what do you want from me?
Well, you are gonna talk. The only question is now or after we got these little fellas off.
Okay, listen. I know where O'Driscoll's holed up, and you're right. He don't like you any more than you like him. He's at 6 Point Cabin. I'll take you there. Serious, I don't like him. I mean, I like him even less than I like you, no offense.
Oh, none taken.
Okay then, partner. Why don't you take a few of us up there right now? I got this, Dutch. Should be fun. All right, you. Come on. Let's go.
तो फाइनली प्रेशर में आकर कैरन बोल ही देता है, और जो लोकेशन वो बताता है उसे सुनकर डच के चेहरे पे पहली बार सेटिस्फैक्शन दिखी है। कैरन के मुताबिक कोम और उसके लोग 6 पॉइंट कैबिन के आसपास देखे गए हैं। अब सवाल ये है, क्या कैरन सच बोल रहा है या फिर डच सीधा किसी ट्रैप में घुसने वाला है? चलिए देखते हैं।
John, you take this little rattlesnake with you. Any nonsense, kill him. Sure. I'm gonna pay your buddies our respects.
You taking us to Cole?
That's what he says. Come on.
I'm taking you to him. Look, I'll give you more directions when we're close. But if I know where we are, it's up past Valentine.
All right, I'll lead.
तो गैंग ने ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं किया और हम निकल पड़े हैं सीधा 6 पॉइंट कैबिन की तरफ।
Sharing saddle with an O'Driscoll. Who'd have thought?
How many times I gotta say? I ain't an O'Driscoll.
You sure look like one, and you smell like... God damn. You smell like one, too.
I smell like horse shit.
That's right. Boy, are you high.
Morgan! You got throwing knives in your saddlebag. Dutch said that you might... I was asked to give them, and I'm doing you the further courtesy of telling you about it.
Next time you want to give me something, how about you give it to me instead of hiding it somewhere, hoping the opportunity comes up to mention it?
Last goddamn favor I do you.
Hey! If I got my bearings, it's over here. Yeah, I know this country. Take this track up through the rocks.
How you holding up, John?
Fine. Still ain't right, but I'm fine.
damn well should be after all that bed rest.
Hey, all right. Abigail wouldn't let me up. You know her. She won't be reasoned with.
Well, when you was having a failure of reason, hiding behind your woman, we were getting shot at.
And I'd do the same for you, if you was in a bad way.
I hope so. But I fear you don't know how to help anyone. Except in yourself.
You see, O'Driscoll? If this is how he treats his friends, imagine what he does to his enemies.
I got an inkling of what y'all do to your enemies when you put those gelding tongs to my parts.
Bill, you still got those tongs?
I got a knife. Won't be so clean, but it'll do the job.
Keep that in your mind, young feller.
और जितना हम उस जगह के करीब पहुंच रहे थे
Now we go left.
उतना ही मुझे शक हो रहा था कि कुछ गड़बड़ ज़रूर है, क्योंकि कॉम और ड्रिस्कल इतना बेवकूफ़ नहीं है कि अपना हाइड आउट किसी को इतनी आसानी से बता दे। लेकिन डच को इस वक्त सिर्फ बदला दिख रहा है, और जब डच किसी चीज़ को लेके ऑब्सेस्ड हो जाए तो फिर उसको रोकना मुश्किल ही।
Those are the hills. Head for 'em.
Save your horses, we gotta climb, boys.
You know, you all ain't that different from the O'Driscolls.
What did you just say?
I've been watching you all these weeks, and,
You've been tied to a tree. You don't know nothing about this gang.
yeah, well, I'd say you don't know much about the O'Driscolls. But maybe I know more about you than you know about them, and I know all about them, so...
Tell us then, how are we like those mongrel dogs?
You're outlawed like them? You're out to survive like them? You live rough. You live hard. Fighting the law, nature. You're out for yourselves.
See? This is why you're an O'Driscoll, O'Driscoll. You're out to survive. We're out to live. Free. God damn it, Arthur. Coleman's a sneak thief and a killer. Dutch is more like a teacher.
From where I've been, you just look the same as all.
Then you looked, but you ain't seen.
This is it. The cabin's just the other side of this hill.
Okay. Off your horses. Let's go.
You gonna get them knives?
I said...
मैं तुम लोगों को बता दूं ज़रा कि हम कोम के हाइड आउट के पास पहुंच गए हैं, और अब देखते हैं कि वो साला कहाँ छुपा बैठा है।
Follow me, all right? It ain't far.
We might have shared a horse, but we ain't friends. Remember, I'm watching you. Every moment.
I ain't gonna shop you now, come on. It'd be suicide.
You'll die, boy. But you'll lose your balls first.
Jesus Christ. Come on. Cabin's in the clearing down there. There'll be a bunch of fellers hiding out there too.
Are these fellas armed?
Armed, drunk, wary of strangers, yup.
And Colm O'Driscoll?
He'll be holed up in his cabin. Be passed out, booze blind, likely as not.
Hey, over there. Someone's coming.
So, who's gonna tell him we ain't got nothing for the pot?
Oh, let me think. The feller that spooked the game, I reckon.
I'm gonna drain it. I'll catch up.
No, we ain't gonna fall for that. We're gonna wait so you can tell him yourself.
Yeah.
If anyone's actually gonna shoot the messenger, it'd be that mean son of a bitch.
Yes, sir.
Come on, shake it off.
What are we doing about the pisser, Morgan? One by the tree.
I'm gonna deal with this first, feller.
Okay. Go to work.
और ये लो, 1 डाउन मैनीमोटो को।
The next two. What's the plan?
और लो दोस्तों, जिसका डर था वही हुआ। जैसे ही हम हाइड आउट के पास पहुंचे, ओड्रिसल के बंदे हर तरफ से निकल आए।
When we're there, we move at the same time.
We're waiting.
On the camp?
पिछले बंदों को एकदम शानदार तरीके से मारने के बाद चलो अब इसको देखते हैं। और मारा छुरा। मैं तुम लोगों को बताऊं, इस गेम की सबसे ख़ास बात यह है कि हर एक इम्पॉर्टेंट डिसीजन तुम इसमें खुद ले सकते हो और हर एक डिसीजन का एक अलग कॉन्सिक्वेंस निकलता है। तो ये बहुत कमाल का काम किया है रॉकस्टार ने। चाहे कितने भी तरह के डिसीजंस हो, तुम्हारा भाई जो है ना, हमेशा गन फाइट ही चूज़ करता है यार।
Catch you unawares!
Come on, Driscoll! Where are you? Give up, O'Driscolls! We got you beat!
Come on, then! Come on!
Clean 'em up! Clean 'em out! Look out! Look!
This is quite a hideout!
You drunk idiots!
You see him coming? You weren't lying, that little toad!
Stay here, you're dead!
I gotta move now! That's it! They're turning tail!
Leave 'em! Comb's still here.
Hey, he said Colm would be in the cabin.
I'll check.
आओ चेक करें वो कोम कहाँ छुपा है।
You all right?
Sure. Thank you. Colm O'Driscoll. He ain't here. You set us up. Come here!
What?
You set us up.
No, I didn't.
You did. Colm O'Driscoll ain't here!
He was here, I swear. If I was setting you up, I wouldn't have saved your life.
It's a good point, Arthur.
All right, then, go on. Get out of here.
Hey?
I won't kill you.
I didn't set you
Get
up.
lost.
Get lost.
I'm letting you run away. Now go on. Get out of here.
That's as good as killing me. Out there, without you, Colm O'Driscoll's gonna lose his mind about this.
So?
So I'm one of you now.
Give me a break. All right, then. But I'm warning you.
Oh, hey, I know.
Come on, let's get to camp.
आर्थर को लग रहा था कि कहीं कैरन ने जानबूझ के उनको वहाँ तो नहीं भेजा, कहीं ये पूरा सेटअप डच और गैंग को मरवाने के लिए तो नहीं था, क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी फाइट के बाद कोम का नाम मिलना कुछ तो अजीब ज़रूर है यार। तो दोस्तों, आज हमने ओड्रिस्कल गैंग को काफ़ी नुकसान पहुंचाया, लेकिन जिस आदमी के लिए ये सब हुआ वो अभी भी हमारे हाथ नहीं लगा। अब सवाल ये है, क्या डच कभी कोम तक पहुंच भी पाएगा? क्या आर्थर का शक सही निकलेगा? और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, क्या ये दुश्मनी और भी ख़तरनाक मोड़ लेने वाली है? ये सब पता चलेगा तुम्हें नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। अगर आपको स्टोरी बेस्ड RDR2 वॉक थ्रू पसंद आ रहा है तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। मिलता हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड राइड सेफ।